Here is a refined walnut oil for wooden kitchen items and more premium wood finish, conditioner, and sealer. Is food safe, long lasting, and protects and seals your items. In this case, I'm gonna utilize it in two of my walnut items for my kitchen, and I'm excited to try it out, especially because these items go through so much in my kitchen that they need to be treated carefully, and this oil is just gonna pamper them as we all wish we were doing. So the only thing that I'm gonna do is just pour a little bit of the oil into rag that I have over here, and then once I apply a little bit, I'm just gonna rub the items with the oil. I'm just gonna spread the oil all around the wood, and this will help them the items to feel like brand new. They will condition the wood. It's going to be a sealer, especially when you wash them after all they go through with food and everything around the kitchen. This is going to be like a fresh up for all these items. And what's great is that it's food safe. So that way, if you put your fruits or veggies around afterwards, you don't have to worry about it because it's safe for you to get in contact with each other. So you just clean these items after you wash them. You just put this oil all around, and then they will look brand new. They will look shiny and perfect for the kitchen again. So this is a great element to have in your kitchen for all of these items that you have, perhaps just like me.